Methods of preparation of aldehydes. Last class we have completed Stefan's reduction. Stefan's reduction. So what is Stefan's reduction? Right. So here in this reaction, alkyl cyanide or C triple bond N, alkyl cyanide also called alkane nitrile. Right, alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile undergo reduction in the presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid SnCl2 plus HCl, which gives rise to iminohydrochloride, This iminohydrochloride further undergo hydrolysis in boiling water, which gives rise to corresponding aldehyde. Plus you will get ammonium chloride. This is completed in last class. Okay, then so we also studied that the same reaction can also be possible by using Dibal H. Important, particularly for NEET and JEE, Dibal H. Therefore the same reaction can also be carried out by using Dibal H, where what is the Dibal H? Dibal H. So Dibal H is a selective reducing agent. It is diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So therefore diisobutyl aluminium hydride is a selective reducing agent which reduces alkane nitrile to corresponding aldehydes. For example, let us take CH3 C triple bond N. It is a ethane nitrile, which is treated with Dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride, and followed by hydrolysis. It is obviously required. Followed by hydrolysis, treating with water, which gives rise to break the bond here, which gives corresponding aldehyde. Right. So here there is one important of this reaction with the Dibal H. The important of Dibal H is Dibal H is a selective reducing agent which reduces cyanide group only, which reduces cyanide group to aldehyde group, and further cyanide group to intermediate, then hydrolysis, of course aldehyde. Therefore, which converts cyanide group to aldehyde group even in the presence of multiple bond and in presence of ester bond also. Important. That means it is a selective, take important note, it is a selective reducing agent, which reduces the cyanide group and cyanide group, even ester group also, ester group in the presence of double bond also or multiple bond, in the presence of multiple bonds. Okay, so this is important for NEET and JEE. Now what is the meaning of this? It is a selective reducing agent which reduces the cyanide group as well as ester group. Let us take one example, CH3, CH2, CH double bond, CH, CH2, C triple bond N, C triple bond N. It is a cyanide. This cyanide has multiple bond. This is a double bond. Now this is treated with Dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. This is a first reagent. Second reagent is hydrolysis. Of course, boiling water is required. Then Dibal H followed by hydrolysis. In presence of this cyanide group is converted into aldehyde group, but this multiple bond does not change, does not affected. So therefore, this multiple bond you should write as it is CH3, CH2, then CH double bond CH, right? Again CH2 also as it is, then this is become CHO. This is one important use of diball H. Diball H can convert only cyanide to aldehyde. It does not affect the multiple bond. Similarly, even you can take ester also. CH3, CH2. Let us take this is 9 C double bond O. It is a C2H5. This is a ester. Ester is treated with 1 diball H and 2 followed by hydrolysis required. Then here also this ester bond is broken. You will get CH3 as it is and CH2. This is also as it is 9. Then C double bond O become CHO plus remaining is alcohol. C2H5 plus O will get C2H5OH. But we want this aldehyde. So therefore, diball H can convert cyanide group as well as ester group into corresponding aldehydes. This is one important use of diball H. Next, we have other methods of preparation of aldehydes. Let us see other methods. Preparation of benzaldehyde. Preparation of particularly benzaldehydes. Benzaldehyde. So preparation of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde can be prepared by 1 Rosenmund reduction, it is a Neymud reaction. All the Neymud reactions important. Last class I told you. 2 Etard reaction, second Neymud reaction. 3 Gutterman-Koch reaction, Gutterman-Koch reaction. 4 Oxidation of toluene, in presence of oxidation of toluene in presence of anhydrous acetic anhydride, and anhydrous chromium trioxide. 5th one, chlorination of side chain and hydrolysis. Right. So these are the methods of preparation of benzaldehyde we have in our syllabus. Let's study one by one in detail. Take down clearly. Right, preparation of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde can be prepared by 5 methods. First one is important, Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction. So many times question was appeared in board exam and different exams, and moreover it is a Neymud reaction. So what is Rosenmund reduction example? Here reaction is, it is a acid chloride, RC double bond O Cl, acid chloride, Acid chloride treated with or reacts with just hydrogen in presence of palladium barium sulfate. Palladium barium sulfate is a catalyst. Palladium barium sulfate and sulfur. Right. So in presence of palladium barium sulfate, hydrogen, here one hydrogen and H. So it is HCl is removed and one more hydrogen gets substituted here. So therefore the product is R C double bond O as it is, it become H plus we will get HCl. This reaction is called Rosenmund reduction. Then here statement is important. What is the statement of Rosenmund reduction? Acid chloride, it is a acid chloride. Acid chloride treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium barium sulfate and sulfur to form corresponding aldehyde. This is a aldehyde. This reaction is called Rosenmund reduction. Now let us take some important example. CH3 C double bond O Cl, it is called acetyl chloride. Come on. Acetyl chloride reacts with hydrogen in presence of palladium barium sulfate and sulfur. Write the product. One more example. CH3 CH2 C double bond O Cl, hydrogen, same palladium barium sulfate and sulfur. Take one more example. Benzoyl chloride. Take this is important. It is benzoyl, not benzyl. Benzoyl chloride treated with hydrogen in presence of palladium barium sulfur and sulfur. Come on, write the products. Now here hydrogen HH, remove HCl, then the product is CH3 C double bond O H. This is called acetaldehyde plus byproduct is hydrochloric acid HCl. Here also hydrogen, remove the H and Cl, HCl, then the product is CH3 CH2 C double bond O H, meth eth prop, it is a propanol plus hydrogen chloride. Similarly here also same, you get benzaldehyde, right, plus hydrochloric acid. So this is Rosenmund reduction, right. By Rosenmund reduction it is possible to prepare benzaldehyde. Even aliphatic aldehydes can also be prepared. It is a aliphatic aldehyde, this is a aromatic aldehyde, both can be prepared. Next, second one is Etard reaction. Etard reaction. Right. So what is Etard reaction? Here in Etard reaction we take toluene. Toluene is treated with, right, it is a toluene. It is treated with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 in presence of carbon tetrachloride or CH2. Both are inert solvent. In the presence of inert solvent, right, toluene treated with chromyl chloride, it gives an intermediate. In intermediate, what happens is here, what happens is CH3, no, in CH3 you just remove the two hydrogen, and in bracket, see, this is a chromium, no, and there is a bond is formed between one oxygen, right, oxygen, one chromium, right, one chromium, one oxygen, still one oxygen is left and two hydrogen left, therefore one oxygen, two hydrogen, Cl2, this is as it is. So its name is not important, not required also, just remember it is an intermediate. Okay, chromium intermediate. This chromium intermediate undergo hydrolysis. This is treated with water. and here this bond is broken, you will get benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. So therefore, what is the statement? Statements are important in Neymud reaction. Statement important as well as reaction also important. So statement is toluene is treated with chromyl chloride. Its name is chromyl chloride. Chromyl chloride in presence of carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide to form an intermediate which is on hydrolysis to form benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Etod reaction. Next, third reaction is Gutterman-Koch reaction. It is also Neymud reaction. Gutterman-Koch reaction. Right. What is Gutterman-Koch reaction and example? Right. See, Gutterman-Koch reaction is a method of preparation of benzaldehyde, like similar to Etod reaction. Okay. Right. It is a method of preparation of benzaldehyde. Now in this reaction, benzene is treated with a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid. Benzene treated with mixture of carbon monoxide, hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and Cu2Cl2. It is called cuprous chloride. So therefore, benzene treated with carbon monoxide HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and cuprous chloride to form benzaldehyde. It just formed benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Gutterman-Koch reaction. So therefore, in all Neymud reaction, you need to remember statement as well as equation. You need not to by heart statement. Students, don't by heart statement. So you better remember equation. By equation you can write the statement. It is easy method, right? So therefore it is Gutterman-Koch reaction. Fourth one is oxidation of toluene by acetic anhydride and chromium trioxide. Then how do you prepare benzaldehyde from toluene and acetic anhydride? Now here toluene undergo partial oxidation in presence of acetic anhydride. I'll take toluene here. It is a toluene. It is treated with acetic anhydride. This is a acetic anhydride in presence of chromium trioxide CrO3. Right. In presence of chromium trioxide, now it undergo partial oxidation. It forms first intermediate. Right. Here intermediate is, here also there are 3 hydrogen. You just remove 2 hydrogen, right? Write a 2 bonds. Then this is a acetate group. 2 acetate groups get substituted. Now this is undergo further hydrolysis reaction with water, and this bond is broken. This bond is broken. Then finally you will get benzaldehyde is the product. Right. So this is a toluene. It is benzaldehyde. So right. So therefore toluene treated with acetic anhydride. Toluene treated with acetic anhydride in presence of chromium trioxide to form an intermediate. Its name is not required. Okay. So therefore it is intermediate which undergo further hydrolysis to form benzaldehyde. So this is the fourth method of preparation of benzaldehyde. Next, last is chlorination of side chain chlorination of toluene. Side chain chlorination and followed by hydrolysis of toluene. Right. So therefore side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis of toluene. Right. Heading itself giving meaning. So take the toluene benzene ring containing CH3 group. It is a toluene. Side chain chlorination, that means chlorination has to be done on either methyl group or benzene ring. Side chain is a methyl, therefore here is side chain chlorination. It must be in presence of H nu, right? It is a free radical substitution reaction, therefore chlorine gets substituted on methyl, right? Let us 2 chlorine get substituted on methyl, chlorine and chlorine, dichloro. Then this is further undergo hydrolysis. In hydrolysis, in place of chlorine, you can substitute OH. Therefore, substitute in place of 2 chlorine, 2 OH groups. But we also know that when 2 OH groups are present on same carbon, it is highly unstable. Therefore, immediately water is eliminated. When water is eliminated, OH and H, then finally the product is formed, that is benzaldehyde. So this is a side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis, also gives benzaldehyde. Right. So these are the 5 methods of preparation of benzaldehydes. Now students, here one important note is in Etard reaction. Look at on Etard reaction. In Etard reaction, we have studied that toluene undergo oxidation, right? Toluene undergo oxidation in presence of chromyl chloride and carbon tetrachloride CS2 will get intermediate. This intermediate hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. It's all right. But there was question appeared one time in NEET. Question is this: if you take toluene, it's all right. So instead of toluene, if you take other compound, other benzene compound, like for example ethyl benzene or propyl benzene, let us take instead of toluene ethyl benzene. That means side chain has 2 carbon. Or you can take propyl benzene. Side chain has 3 carbon atoms. Now this is treated with same chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2 followed by CCl4. It is also same. It is Etard reaction. Then what happened? Now here there is only one carbon. Only this carbon get converted into aldehyde group. If there are more than one carbons are present, what happened in Etard reaction? See, important. In Etard reaction, if there are more than one carbon present on side chain, there is a oxidation of only last carbon. There is a oxidation of only last carbon takes place. It means this methyl group get converted into aldehyde group, but not this whole group, So therefore the product is here, in this case product is CH2 CHO. In this case it is a CH2 CHO, right? So this is one important note for Etard reaction. Next we have methods of preparation of ketones. Methods of preparation of ketones. Like similar to aldehydes, ketones can also be prepared by different methods. one from acid chloride. Ketones can be prepared from acid chloride. 2. Friedel-Crafts alkyl acylation. This is already we have studied. Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene and derivatives. Acylation of benzene and even derivatives also you can prepare the ketone. And third method of preparation is from alkane nitrile and Grignard reagent. From alkane nitrile and RMGX Grignard reagent. So therefore these are the three methods of preparation of ketones. Now first one is from acid chloride. Let us study in detail from acid chloride. How do you prepare ketone from acid chloride? Right, see here acid chloride is treated with dialkyl cadmium. Let us take RC double bond OCl. Acid chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium R2CD called dialkyl cadmium, or else you can write 1 cadmium CD attached to 2 alkyl groups. It is a dialkyl cadmium. Right, now here take 2 moles of acid chloride. Right, in 2 moles of acid chloride here 2 chlorine 1 cadmium. Right, so this 2 chlorine should be replaced by 2 alkyl. So therefore the product is R C double bond O R. If you take R dash it become R dash. That means acid chloride reacts with dialkyl cadmium to form corresponding ketone. Plus here 1 cadmium 2 chlorine, you will get CdCl2 is the byproduct. Let us take example. CH3 C double bond OCl. It is called acetyl chloride. You should remember the names. Acetyl chloride reacts with dimethyl cadmium. Just write the product. Similarly, take another example, benzoyl chloride. It is a not benzyl, benzoyl. Benzoyl chloride also treated with dimethyl cadmium. Come on, write the product in these 2 cases. Now here this chlorine should be replaced by methyl. In place of chlorine methyl comes. So therefore there are 2 methyl groups. Here you take 2 moles of acid chloride, 2 moles of acid chloride. Therefore now 2 chlorine replaced by 2 methyl. Then the product is CH3 C double bond O as it is. Then here CH3 will become, it is 2 moles. Similarly here also this chlorine also replaced. This chlorine is replaced by what? Methyl. So therefore 2 moles, it is a CH3 plus cadmium chloride. Cadmium chloride is byproduct. So this is from acid chlorides. So therefore acid chlorides reacts with dialkyl cadmium to form ketones. Second method of preparation is Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is we have studied in even first PUC, second PUC haloalkane halorane topic also. Right, one that is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So what is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction? Here in Friedel-Crafts acylation we take benzene. Even you can take benzene derivatives also, no problem. Let us take simple reaction, benzene. Right, benzene treated with acid chloride. I will take general reaction R C double bond O Cl. Benzene treated with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It is in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, what happened? Here hydrogen 1 chlorine is removed as HCl. Then this C double bond will get attached to this carbon. It means we will get C double bond O R. This is a ketone. Particularly aromatic ketones are formed. Therefore, what is the Friedel-Crafts acylation? Friedel-Crafts acylation is benzene and benzene derivatives reacts with acid chloride. It is a benzene. Even you can take benzene derivative reacts with acid chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, or else you can take any Lewis acid to form corresponding ketones. So this is the general reaction. Even you can take particular example also. Let us take example here. Take benzene. It is reacts with CH3, C double bond O, Cl. It is called acetyl chloride, and it is in presence of Lewis acid. You can take anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3, SnCl2, anything. Then write the product. Next, one more example. Benzene plus, let us take benzoyl chloride. This is a benzoyl chloride, not benzyl. I am writing repeatedly name, it's very important. Benzoyl chloride in presence of Lewis acid. Lewis acid, write the product. Next, one more example. Take benzene, take 2 moles of benzene plus, it is called carbonyl chloride, and FeCl3, Lewis acid. Write the product. Come on. So, right, in first case, right, in first case, 1 hydrogen here, 1 chlorine. We just replace these two. Product is it is called acetophenone. Names also important. Plus HCl. Come on, here also same. HCl, HCl. It is called benzophenone. Benzophenone. Next, come on, tell me this. Now here there are 2 moles of benzene. No, in first mole of benzene, 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. Right? 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. You get C double bond O. It is Cl. Now there is another mole of benzene. This another mole of benzene also treated with now this. It is now benzoyl chloride. It is benzene. So it is also Friedel-Crafts acylation only. Therefore, now remove again HCl. You will get the same product, that is benzophenone. Right? As like this. Again, HCl is the byproduct. So like that, you can write many examples. It is Friedel-Crafts acylation. You can prepare the ketones by using this method. Then last method is from alkane nitrile or cyanide, alkane nitrile and RMGX. Yeah, this reaction we have not studied, but similar reaction we have studied. Similar to this reaction we have studied. From alkane nitrile, let us take R C triple bond N. It is alkane nitrile, reacts with Grignard reagent RMGX. We know that in RMGX, Mg is a positive, R is a negative. In cyanide, nitrogen has negative, carbon has positive. So therefore, come on, tell me, this R is R minus added to C plus Mg is added to N. Triple bond become double bond in addition. That is we know. So in R addition reaction, triple bond become double bond. Then here one more R is added. Then it become double bond. Then N is get attached to MgX. This is intermediate. Okay, this intermediate now it is reacts with water. It is hydrolysis, oxygen, 2 hydrogen, H2O. Now tell me what it become? R C double bond O R. It is R C double bond O R plus remaining is NH2. That is a NH2 NH2 MgX is the byproduct. Therefore, now let's see 1-2 example. CH3 C triple bond N, it is reacts with methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. Write the product. One more example. Let us take phenyl cyanide. It is also reacts with Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium chloride, and which is followed by hydrolysis. You just write the product. Right. So here what to do is, you need to identify negative and positive charges. Nitrogen has more electronegativity than carbon, therefore negative positive. It is carbon negative, magnesium is positive. Therefore, add negative to positive, then add positive to negative. Right. So therefore, you will get intermediate. Intermediate is CH3 as it is. Then here CH3 comes. CH3. Then it is triple bond become double bond. Then N is now attached to what? MgBr. MgBr. Now which is undergo further hydrolysis reaction with water? You break the bond, O here, 2 hydrogen. Therefore CH3 CO CH3, CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is the ketone. Its common name is acetone. Then last reaction is here also same. Carbon is positive, nitrogen is negative. Here carbon is negative, now magnesium is positive. Therefore negative should be added to positive, positive should be added to negative. Then intermediate is, I will write pH. Benzene ring can be written as a pH, phenyl ring, pH. Then C double bond, here is CH3 added. The next is N as it is, then Mg and Cl, which is on hydrolysis. Break the C double bond N. Oxygen here is 2 hydrogen. Therefore pH CO CH3, pH CO CH3. So this is called acetophenone. Plus byproduct. Byproduct is, it is of course NH2 MgCl. That is same. Right. So these are the methods of preparation of ketones.